Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a gradient in Canva. Go to the left of your screen and click on Elements, and in the search bar type in @contributor Danny. I know this sounds a bit strange, but when you type this in you'll be able to find a lot of shapes in different gradient colors. And when you use these shapes, at the top bar here you'll be able to change colors that were used. So this way you're able to make your own gradient. You can choose any color that's already in your project, or you can also add new ones. Alright, this is how to make a gradient in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.